Hey, what's up everyone? It's me again, Marky. We are doing an exciting adventure today as we are to go canyoneering in Badian. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future updates. And now we have arrived at the briefing center. And on how to get to the jump-off point, you should check this out.
Okay, so we have two options. We either have to walk or ride that zip line in order for us to go to the jump-off point here in the canyoneering Badian. Worth 500 pesos. No money.
No money.
We don't have money because everyone's drawing. We love walking. Okay.
There are two ghosts. Hello, ghost number one. Mobs is baking.
I hope you're enjoying your baking there.
We miss you, but yeah.
So this is about 45 minutes. See you there. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hindi kaya mamang lupat ta.
Hey guys! How was your experience?
Near-death experience. Wala ko kuha. Doon ako mag-take ang Yeah.
Wow! Nindot ko na yung ambak pero kapoy yung
Woo! We conquered the first two jumps except for Mopel. But now I'm a bit concerned what's next. So please stay with us.
Nice kayo eh. Green kayo.
Okay, namin karon sa canyoneering.
Galakaw-lakaw mi. Sa sapa. Wala ka na eh.
Okay, jambak.
Apa mo?
Woohoo! Amazing! Everyone made it on our third jump, and the scenes were superb. The Gatorade water along with spectacular rock formations, it felt like we were in a different dimension.
What do you mean 1.5 ha? Nice ko yung water baka musiga-siga mag-isawi. Hello, nakaibaw na lagi mo lang mo eh. Kasi katunanin yung mulang mo eh. Ibaw na mo mulang mo eh. Storya sa ko eh. Ganyan lang eh, sige mag-storya.
Na-amaze pa ko, na-amaze pa. Amaze.
Lagi no?
Buhay pa ko, ma!
Pwede mo nang mabalik.
Buhay pa ko! Survive pa ko, ma! Last na lang ni ma!
Kanay, sir. Busog. Busog.
Hi, Marty! Hi!
I'm a survivor.
Mayroon na akong vlog sa Philippines. Nakakampak na ko.
Wala mo dyan. Sige lang ba mo? Lang, dili matugkan. Lamayo na kayo mamang langoy. Kalma naman kayo. Busog naman.
Now we continue to trek down the river and is headed to Kabukalan Spring, commonly known as the level 3 of Kawasan Falls. The canyoneering activity would last for 4 to 6 hours depending on your pace. There is also an area midway the trek where you can have a meal at a reasonable price. Now, headed to the last 3 jumps. Wait for it!
Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Babay po taon mo. Sir. Hi. Ma'am. Tour guide. Okay. Then going up, sir. Right there. Okay, here we go again. Going to the next jump.
That ends our canyoneering adventure. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell for future updates. Thanks for watching and see you in our next adventure.